Bitches change, yeah, I like I ain't all this. Getting money, nigga, that my main.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, you may notice something a little different about me. Yes, I have black hair. And no, I didn't dye my hair. It's just a wig that I got, which I'm gonna talk about in another video, because a company sent me this wig, right? But we'll talk about it in that video. So, I have another wish haul. This is part 2 because I know a lot of people requested another wish haul, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. And yeah, so before we start with the video, I just want to say, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, join my family, my YouTube family, give me a like, and give me a comment. Tell me what would you like to watch on next video. So without further ado, let's start with the wish haul. Okay, so pretty much this haul is gonna be like more like accessories and like beauty. That's pretty much what I got. So first I'm gonna get out the non-beauty items, which are some chopsticks. Yeah, I know, I got chopsticks just because I've been watching recently a lot of mukbangs, you know, and they use chopsticks. So I wanted to try chopsticks. And I usually always get the ones from like Panda Extras and stuff, but like, you know, they're like, you have to throw them away. So I decided to get some washable ones. So yeah, it comes with 5, which I already have one, you know, in the sink. So I just wanted to show you guys this ones, but it comes in green. I think the one that I have is in green. But yeah, they have like different colors and they have like flowers. So this one is like a baby blue, and then we have a navy, we have a dark red and orange, and then the green ones. And I will put in the prices of everything right here, or I will put the picture of the product right here. Okay, so now that we have that out of the way, we can start with the accessories. So first of all, I got some of those really trendy you know, like see-through sunglasses, which this one matches because I'm wearing a lot of red today. I don't know why, but this is how they look like. They're just red sunglasses, like see-through sunglasses, which I don't know, I just thought they were pretty cool. And I think I wanted these because I'm gonna have a little photo shoot on Friday, so I wanted like something, you know, to spice up the outfit. So I don't know, I just got this. So yeah, and then I got, you guys know I'm obsessed with hoops, of course. So I got these ones. These are silver because I have some gold ones, so I wanted silver ones, so I got these. But then I saw some that I fell in love, which are the ones that I'm wearing right now, these ones. And they're just like super, you can see my room here. They're like super big, and they have like fake rhinestones right here. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, they're like super massive. Like compare to the silver ones that I got, like they're huge. But yeah, I like, since I got these, I haven't worn the other ones, the silver, because I don't know, I just feel like these ones are like so extra and like, you know, so me. So yeah, and then another accessory that I got is this choker thing, which looks like this. It's all like rhinestones as well, and this is how it looks like. That you just put it on, and then it has like this little piece that goes like down your chest, and I feel like it looks super good, which I wore this for New Year's Eve. So yeah, super super pretty, and like so like extra, you know. So I got that, and then I got two more accessories, which are as well necklaces. So the first one, both are gold, because I needed more gold little necklaces, because I have a lot of like dainty small silver necklaces, but I needed some gold, so I found these at from Wish. So I don't know, I just thought they were really cute. So the first one, it's a little letter. I don't know if you guys can see. And of course I chose A because, you know, my name is Andrea. So that's how it looks like, and it has a little heart. And then you can choose from all letters, like they have the whole alphabet, but I just chose A because of my name, right? And then the other one is like a zodiac sign necklace. And if you guys didn't know, I'm a Scorpio, so I got this Scorpio sign. Really cute. So that was it for accessories. So now I'm gonna move on to something. It's a eyeliner that honestly I didn't like at all. Like at all, I didn't like, which is the Handaya. I don't even want to pronounce it, but this is how it looks like. And honestly, I don't recommend this at all. Like when I applied it, like it was pigmented and everything, but it was burning my eyes. Like I could feel like a burning sensation in my eyes, and I got scared and I just wiped it off. So I was like, oh, maybe, I don't know, maybe I got it in my eye or something. So I tried it again and the same thing happened. So I was like, you know what, I'm not even gonna use this. It's not worth it. I'm just gonna get the one from NYX. But I just wanted to give this a chance. But guys, it burned my eyes. It's crazy. And like my eyes, I don't feel like they're really that sensitive. So for this to like burn my eyes, it's a no-no for me. So I don't know if you guys remember from my last wish haul, which I'll put in the iCard somewhere here. I got some of this liquid glitters eyeliners from Wish as well, and now I got 4 different shades, colors. So I got a red, a like really pretty, like what is it, like teal aqua color, a pink, and a little like lilac color, purplish color. And you guys, like I thought I ordered the eyeliner because it's the same brand as this ones, and these little liquid glitters are amazing, like amazing. Like you need them in your life. And like I was really disappointed when the eyeliner didn't work, you know. But if you're gonna get something from here, get the liquid glitters. They're amazing, really pigmented, and they dry super quickly. So I really recommend them. They're like $1 plus $1 shipping, so it's like $2. Amazing. And like I ordered this, I want to say like 2 months ago, I want to say. And like yesterday, out of nowhere, I received 2 more, and it's also a purple and a blue. So I was kind of confused as to why I got them. And like I tried to look in my order history if I had accidentally ordered them, and like I didn't. So I guess they kind of like messed up and sent me 2 more, which I mean I'm grateful for, because you know they sent me 2 more and they're amazing. But yeah, I think that was really weird when they just showed up out of nowhere, and I was like, did I order something? But yeah. And then of course you guys know also from my last wish haul, I love these eyelashes, which are the ones that I'm wearing right now. They're freaking beautiful. Really. They're not natural or anything, but they're super pretty. So I love these eyelashes, and this is how they look like. They come in a packet of 5 for, I want to say it was $3. So yeah, they're amazing. And then the last thing that I got are more lashes, of course. And I recently found these amazing mink lashes, you guys, from Wish, which I was really shook. I was like, what? Mink lashes for $2 at Wish? Yeah. I was like, I don't know if I want to believe in this, you know? But I risked it and I ordered some. And guys, they're freaking bomb. I just made another order, but instead of from Wish, I did it from AliExpress because I wanted to I wanted to try AliExpress because I heard it's the same thing as Wish. And like, I looked for some lashes and over there they're like cheaper. I didn't know they didn't like, they didn't add shipping or anything. Like, the shipping is free. So I was like, yes. So I ordered more lashes. So whenever I get all my stuff from AliExpress, I'll make another video. But yeah, I got 4 pairs of mink lashes, which, you guys, I'm in love. And I'll try to link everything down below this time, guys. I know I always say that I'm gonna link everything and I never do. I'm sorry, but I get lazy, you know. I'm human too, you know. Okay, anyways, so I already wore all of them, so I'm sorry if they look a little crusty, but you know, there's nothing we can do. Anyway, so the first style that I got is D103, which looks like this. And they're like super fluffy. I don't know if you guys can see how curly they are from the sides. But you guys, I'm in love with these lashes. They're so pretty. And they're like $2. So that's the first pair that I have, D103. And then the next style that I have is D110, which looks similar, but these ones are like more, I want to say they have like, they're like thicker. I don't know if you can see the difference. They're a little more thicker than D103, but they're so beautiful. And like D103 is my favorite. Like, this one is my favorite pair from all of them. And you can see because I gave them a lot of love. But yeah, these are my favorite style from all of them. Then I have D108. This is how they look like. And I think I'm lying, guys. I think these are my favorite. For sure. Yeah. This, I'm sorry guys, but yeah, these are my favorite. D108. I freaking love these eyelashes. They just look so like, I don't even know how to explain it, guys, but they look really nice. They look expensive. And yeah, guys, these are pretty much like those lashes they sell on Instagram. Anyways, but yeah, D108, beautiful lashes. And then the last pair that I have is D109, and I haven't worn this. Why? I really don't know why I haven't worn them. You can see it still has the plastic, but I haven't given them a chance, but I will soon because, you know, beautiful lashes. But yeah, this is the last pair that I have. So I think that's all I have. So yeah, guys, like I said, I'm just waiting up for all the things from AliExpress so I can make another video. Yeah, so that's all I have for you guys today. Like I always say, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Give me a like, leave me a comment. And yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.